In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 in VirtualBox. My name is Amin and this channel is all about showing you how to become an IT pro really fast. So let's get started. Some people say Windows 11 can't be installed in VirtualBox, while others are getting an error. This PC can't run Windows 11. Watch this video till the end to install Windows 11 in VirtualBox without facing any issues. First, you need to download the latest version of VirtualBox. For that, go to this web page. The link is also available in the description. Click on Download VirtualBox 6.1. Now click on this link. The VirtualBox is downloading. Now you need to install it, and the installation process is very simple. To run VirtualBox, search for VirtualBox and open it. Now click on New. Here you need to give a name to the virtual machine. For the version, you need to select Windows 10 64-bit and click on Next. Here you need to select the amount of memory RAM to be allocated to the virtual machine. You should allocate a minimum of 4 GB RAM, as this is the minimum requirement for Windows 11, and click on Next. Click on Create. Click on Next. It's better to always go with dynamically allocated and click on Next. Here you need to select the size of the virtual hard disk. For Windows 11, you have to select a minimum of 52 GB. Finally, click on Create. Virtual machine has been created. Now we have to do some settings. Click on this settings button. Go to system and change the boot order the same way as I did. Now go to processor tab and here select 2. Then go to display and set the video memory to a higher number. And then go to storage, click on empty, click on this button, choose a disk file and select Windows 11 ISO file. Now go to network and select bridge adapter. This step is optional. Keep all other settings the same. Click on OK and then start the machine. Here, select language to install, time and currency format, keyboard or input method as per your preferences, and click on Next. Click on Install. From here you can select different versions of Windows 11. I'll go with Windows 11 Pro and click on Next. Now check this checkbox and click on Next. Select Custom Install. Here we need to create a new partition. Click on New and then Apply. Click on OK. Click on Format and click on OK. And finally click on Next. This process will take some time. In the meantime, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get more useful content just like this. Now you need to set up a few things according to your preferences. And we have successfully installed Windows 11 in our VirtualBox. That's it for this video. If you are still getting any errors or are still facing any issues, please write to us in the comments below and we will try our best to help you out.